regreso aquí en Auto 060 y ahora vamos al Boat Show de Miami, primero con el jefe de diseño de Mercedes-Benz, Gordon Wagner, y enseguida Skip Barber de Cigarette Racing. Thank you for having us here at the Boat Show in Miami with Mercedes-Benz.
Well, it's a very exciting event, and so of course Miami is a great place not only for design, also for luxury, and of course for very sporty products such as our latest creation here, the Mercedes-Benz Vision Gran Turismo. It's a concept car, so it's a one-off, but it really shows our future language in design, everything you will see in our future products, such as, for instance, the new S-Class, new C-Class that just comes out, and our new S-Coupe, which we will present in 2 weeks from now.
In Geneva, yeah.
Yeah.
So this car was unveiled in LA, and as you said, this was designed not only for that purpose of showing what the vision for Mercedes-Benz is. I mean, it shares the name, but also it shares the concept, right? And this car is for the Gran Turismo video game. But now here at the Boat Show in Miami, we have something else inspired of that, right?
Right. We have that co-branding partnership with Cigarette Racing, and you see the silver boat now here, and there's a lot of similarities. You know, the proportion, our sports car always have that GT proportion. That means we have a long hood, and the cab sits very much on the back wheel, and the boat is literally the same. It also has a long, actually a much longer hood.
Yeah, it's like 6
the
times
boat
as
is also
long.
a little longer than our car, 50 feet. They really share that sporty proportion, that excitement, and of course the power of being that super toys, you know.
Yeah, and this is, I believe, the 4th year that Mercedes-Benz AMG division has partnered with World Champion Cigarettes Racing Team here in Miami. And why is the importance of that for Mercedes-Benz?
Actually, it's a partnership with AMG, which is our performance brand, and so this is basically how it comes together: the performance on the water, the power of the engines, and of course the power and performance of our AMG cars, you know. And on top of that, both are very high luxury goods, and so there's a lot of similarities to do that co-branding.
Yeah, yes. Last year you unveiled the SLS electric car. I mean, the boat that was inspired on the SLS electric car, and that in that case, the boat had I think 8 engines of the car or something like that. In this case, it has. I mean, this is a concept car, so they don't share engines or anything like that, right? Just like the image.
Yeah, it will have our new AMG engine. We will, but we are not giving any information on that right now.
Yeah. But that is not shared with the boat. That's what I'm saying.
No, the boat has a marine engine. It's a Mercury engine, and you know the engines have always to be marinized in order to fulfill boat requirements.
I see. And going back to the car, the Gran Turismo Vision, it was a huge hit when you showed it in LA.
Yeah.
What's been that reaction from people? What's AMG hearing about it?
I don't know, actually. Probably because it's such a stunning car, stunning proportion, and it's such a piece of design. It's so clean and futuristic, modern, that it catches everybody. You know, this really appeals to the senses. It's a really sexy car, and you know, that emotion really has to embody it in our sports cars. Exactly. But as you say, the success was fantastic all over the community, over the internet, over the world. It was great. One of our most successful concept cars. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for sharing this with us here in Miami. And
thank you so
Gordon.
much. Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Well, Mr. Raver, thank you very much for having us here at the Boat Show. We just talked to the designer from AMG, Mercedes-Benz, and now from your side, why is the importance of having such a powerful partner as AMG in a powerful company like Cigarette Boats here in Miami?
Well, we consider our partnerships are the key to our technology, and you know, Cigarette is a very small company compared to Mercedes, and Gordon is the head designer. So working together not only for designs and with Gran Turismo, the designs of the paint scheme, because Sony did the paint scheme, it shows the stability of our company and people that are willing to work with us, which is really cool because we're from Miami.
Yeah.
And, you know, Miami's our home. So we're very proud that they would want to be affiliated with us, and they're very proud that we both share the same vision. That's part of the reason why it's a Vision Gran Turismo. That's part of the reason why it's a Cigarette difference.
Yeah. And this is, I believe, the 4th time time, right? Like you have
Fifth time, I believe.
Fifth time, and I mean, pretty cool stuff that you have. Last year you showed the electric boat.
That's correct.
I guess that was the concept, right? Only.
Well, the boat went from the Miami Boat Show, and we were honored enough to be the first time that something that didn't say Mercedes was at the Mercedes Museum in Stuttgart.
Oh, that's
and
great.
The boat is still over there as a concept, and it could be made tomorrow, it could be made today. But what we're doing is showing the technology, and it was something that no one would ever think of a new powered boat would be with a cigarette any more than anybody would think a powerful AMG Mercedes car.
Yeah. So our show is mainly about cars, so maybe excuse my ignorance, but
No ignorance.
tell me a little bit about the boat. I mean, it's huge.
Well,
and
it's
how
a 50
powerful
foot,
is it?
It has dual 1650 horsepower Mercury racing motors in it that run on race gas. The boat's approximately 140 miles an hour for a V-bottom.
Wow.
And it handles, and the quality, even though it's a race boat, you could say it's the epitome of a cigarette. It's the most powerful cigarette we ever made.
Yeah. How many horsepower is it again?
1350 aside.
How about are we talking about? Is this a boat that people can buy? What
If
what's
you
the
brought
price?
your checkbook, $1.5 million, you could take it home
Oh, that's
today.
it?
That's
Okay.
it.
Let me
Plus
go,
tax.
Let me go and get it then.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sir Barber.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.